One of the huge benefits to Career Path and really the live events too is long-term relationships that get developed. And unless you go through that, you just it's impossible to convey that to somebody like Career Path 5, whoever is going to be involved in that. So I'm glad it's working, I guess is my point.
Well, while Luke's right there by me and speaking up here, I gotta say, Luke is my Miyagi. He is my sensei right now, and I gotta hand it to Luke. I just ran these deals in Virginia by Luke, and Luke is navigating through this title company and teaching me so much, and he's funding all 3 of my deals right now. So instead of dealing with 3 people, I'm working with Luke. And I don't know, I mean, the broker's saying we could sell each one of them their building lots for $35,000. He's funding them and closing title costs for $12,000 plus title fees. I figure they could profit around $105,000, but on the low end, maybe $60,000, $70,000 for the 3. And Luke is saving my ass right now. Is what's going on.
Now's the time to send more mail out right now.
You are exactly right, Jack. I know that, and I just want to target the right area, and that's what I'm working on now, because I don't want to have that lull while this stuff's working out. I want to have some more deals in the flow. I'm about to start working with Mike and start fielding some calls for him. So
Great.
Between Mike and the new mailer, I think I'll be able to keep it all going. So you're exactly right, Jack. Thank you for mentioning that.
And just to give you some props, Jason, I mean, like I said before, I like the way you do things, because I mean, you don't wait to get it perfect. You just do it. And then all those little things we can fix or adjust, or like your LLC. You know, if you just need to have that little, we might not even made a mistake, but even if you did, it's a small mistake early on that you'll be fine. But you got a good work ethic, and you're just going, and we're accessible to each other. So, yeah, all little fine details you're catching on. So, and yeah, so I'm glad to be working with you. I'm grateful for you giving me the opportunity. So.
I am so grateful for you, and I just am so happy for this relationship that's happening and other relationships that are happening. I really don't know what I'm doing yet, and it's true, as Jack says, I'm literally closing 5 deals right now while my first mailer. And to tell you the truth, guys, I don't know. I can't retire doing what I'm doing. I realize that, and I've known it for a long time. I just didn't know what else I wanted to do. And I don't see really the reality of all this like maybe you guys do yet, but I kind of am getting a glimpse into it as we move into the sales side of this, which I'm excited about. But I love, like, you guys are my new family. That's what's going on here. So I feel close to you like a family, and I'm going to really miss Career Path when it ends here. But I'm just, it's so great to be on the call, and I just love it all. So.
We'll be together. Don't worry, we're all going to get together every month on the advanced group. So we'll all hang out.
Great. We're in the process of developing a new product where this office hours thing's worked out for everybody. It's one of those things where I would have never guessed that, but somebody suggested we do it. I think it was Career Path 2 or 3. It was 2, and it worked out great. So we're developing a new product for a monthly fee where we can all get together like this. And I'm not sure how we're going to treat former Career Path attendees, which is what all you will eventually be. But it'll not be how we treat when we offer the product. It won't be you'll be in the upper level kind of thing.